This is how to connect TradingView to your Interactive Brokers trading account. Now, if you scroll up and to the right, you see the trade button. You click on it. When you have no broker connected, it takes you to this screen. You have to connect with a broker or at least a paper trading account. So you find Interactive Brokers and you click on it. You click on connect and it will take us to the Interactive Brokers login page. Now, have your username and password handy and make sure that it's a live account. If you choose paper, it will be a simulated trading account. So in this case, make sure it's live and you put in your credentials. Then click login. Now keep your phone handy because you will probably have a 2FA enabled on your account, and make sure to open the IBKR account. You will get a notification, click on it, and then click on authorize. After the authorize, you will have to log in on your phone, and now you are logged in into your Interactive Brokers account through TradingView. The same button, you see trade and the IBKR logo. Clicking on this will open the order panel and you can start trading using your Interactive Brokers account directly from TradingView.